Let's learn how to fix YouTube when it's showing loading issues and lagging. First step, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the web browser of your choice. In this case, I will use Google Chrome. Now, you need to type in YouTube in the search bar and press Enter. Then, click on the first result to go to the YouTube website. If you notice YouTube is still loading slowly or lagging, the first thing you can try is to clear your browser's cache. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Now, go to More Tools, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up. Here, make sure to select Cached Images and Files, and then click Clear Data. After that, close and reopen your browser. Then go back to the YouTube website and check if the issue is resolved. If YouTube is still lagging, the next step is to check your internet connection. You can do this by running a speed test. Simply type Internet Speed Test in the search bar and select the first option. Run the test to see if your internet speed is sufficient for streaming videos. If your internet speed is slow, try restarting your router or moving closer to it to get a better signal. Also, make sure that no other devices are using up too much bandwidth. Another step you can try is to lower the video quality on YouTube. To do this, click on the settings gear icon on the video player, then select Quality and choose a lower resolution like 480p or 360p. I will not proceed with more troubleshooting steps because my connection is stable, but if you follow these steps, your YouTube should load faster and stop lagging. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.